how I make thumbnails in about 2 minutes using Canva. Let's just get straight into this one. It's quite exciting. Let's try it out. So straight into it. Here is the Canva homepage or the start page, and here is one of my thumbnails. I've got quite a few of these, but they all follow more or less the same theme, you know, the fonts, the colors, and the background. And we're going to modify this one, and we're going to change it into the Canva. I made this in 2 minutes kind of thing with Canva. Right, so very quickly, I've just got to jump over here and do a cheesy smile, because we're going to use this picture. So here we go. Look at the screen. Cheesy smile, cheesy smile, cheesy smile. And I've got to go back to here. Right, so that was just me taking a snap on my program, and now I need to upload the image. So upload file, and let me scroll down and find the snapshot which I've just taken, which is that one. Open it up. Yep. And click on that one because we're going to use it. Okay, this is how fast it is. It really does work well. Background remover. Now, I'm actually showing you this with a background in the back of the van rather than normally my blue background, to show you it still works with any background. Hopefully it does. And then edit the image again, and now I'm going to make myself look pretty by clicking the face retouch. And this does everything in auto, smooths, whitens, and red eye. Everybody needs a little bit of this in their life. Until people meet you in real life and they go, it's not you. All right, I've done that. And then the last thing I'm going to do to it is give it a glow. So we want it to be white, and we want the transparency up and the blur down and the white. I know it's one of them, I know. And we delete the old one, delete, and we move the new one over here, and we want to send it to back and make it as big as it can be. So there you go. And it's probably a bit too much, but hey. And now we're going to change the text. So what do you mean? Made this thumbnail, reduce the size of that. What do you think, made or make? I'll say make, because then it implies that people can make this thumbnail. How are we doing for time? We're actually literally make this thumbnail. I'll fit that in the box like that in 2 minutes. Slide that up, so we want that bigger. Bigger, 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 bigger. I'll do an exclamation mark, so it's a bit of a, wow, really? Make this thumbnail in 2 minutes. You know what people are going to do when they see this? They'll go, yeah, I know it shows. That's what they'll do. People are cruel in the comments. Well, they're not cruel, they're just honest. Line it up. I just find Canva just works. It's just really easy to use. I want that box a bit smaller now. Slightly annoying me. I'm slightly stressing, so I'm going to try and do it in a fast time. With Canva. And really, I'm going to actually make that bigger. Yeah, I'm going to make this box bigger because it does look a bit empty, the area there. And I'm going to really up that. Oh, and I think a bit bigger still. Loud car going past the house. And I'm happy with that. And then just to share it, I click download. I don't want all pages. I just want the current page. Done. And download. And we stop the clock. All right, it says 4 minutes there. But, and now you'll probably just comment, no, it didn't. It took him 3 minutes and 40 seconds. And that's how we did it, and that's how we made it with Canva. So we will upload this video with this thumbnail, and you can tell me what you think about it. Right, so yeah, what do you think of that, everybody? I thought it's quite cool. In the description is a link. You can try Canva. You need Pro for it, because to remove the background on the photo of me, like we did, that is one of the Canva Pro tools. But with the Pro, you get so much, and you can try it out for 14 days for free. So why don't you give it a try? In the link in the description, and hopefully you can get creating. Of course, Canva doesn't just do thumbnails. You can do all of your social media artwork and posts. Oh, you like that? It'll be interesting to see how long it actually took me if it was more than 2 minutes. And if anybody actually comments and says, no, you didn't, you took longer. Right, I'll see you with another one soon.